Hi. So today's topic is field effect transistors (FET). So first of all, I have to say that myself, Dr. Vishwarup Newgi from JS College of Engineering, Associate Professor and Head of the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering Department. And uh, this particular topic is field effect transistors. So we have to know that analytical meaning of field effect and the transistors. We have already know the transistor, that is transfer resistors in the previous cases, but field effect means in that case in the transistor there starts the voltage current control device, but here it is the field effect transistor. That means the field is affecting the transfer resistor. It is called the field effect transistor. That field means the voltage is affecting the transistors. Voltage is affecting the transfer resistor concept. That is why it is called the field effect concept of the transistor. Field effect concept of the transistors. Okay. So just go for this field effect transistor concept, that is the FET. Here it is the I'm just go for the classifications of it first. That is the FET. FET is a junction FET, JFET, and then MOSFET. JFET is the junction field effect transistor, and it is two type: P channel and N channel. N channel and P channel. And MOSFET, basically MOSFET full form is metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. That is two types, that is the depletion type, enhancement type. And depletions is the two types, the N channel and P channel. And enhancement type MOSFET is also two type, P type and P channel and N channel. But things is that I think it is in your mind that what is MOSFET, and what is this enhancement, what is these depletions. I will come to this later, but first we just know about that this is the classifications of all the FET family. This is the classifications of all the FET family. Now uh, now I go for, this is the transistor. You show this is the transistors, and from the transistors this is the FET. We are using the FET. This is the FET. Okay. So from the transistors the FET, why, what is the reason? This is the BJT and this is the FET. Why this changes is there? Why this changes is there? That things is representing that here there are some advantage and disadvantage of the bipolar junction transistors. So what are the disadvantage? The first disadvantage is that the bipolar junction transistor BJT has a more noise produced. Yes, BJT create a huge noise. As it is the current control device, it's create not for the current control device, it is actually creating the huge noise. It is really create a huge noise. Now the BJT are more affected by the radiation. BJT are more affected by the radiations. It is created by the affecting by the radiations. Radiations effect is very high. BJT has a low thermal stability. Yes, low thermal stability. Yes, this is also very important point. Low thermal stability. Low thermal stability means it's create a heat. It creates noise. It's create heat. It's more affected by the radiations. The switch frequency of the BJT is low. Switching frequency of the BJT is very low. Switching frequency means the frequency component of this particular BJT is a very low. It has a very complex base control, so it may lead confusion and require a skillful handling. That is why as it is the current control device, that is why it is the complex. It's a very complex as it is the current control device. So as per the current changing, it's also change its nature. Base current changing, it's change its nature, it's change its current. So for that point of view, these are very very important. And this particular side, I want to say that this particular side is very important for you to know about that why BJT is, what are the disadvantage of the BJT, and why we are, for that reasons we just change the BJT to the FET, from BJT to FET. Why we are coming from BJT to FET, why you are designed the base FET, that things are clear in here, that things is representing in here. Okay, next come to the matter that switching frequency and next come to the matters, there is some difference, the comparative study among the vacuum tube, bipolar junction transistor and field effect transistors. You show in the vacuum tube there is a terminal that is anode, cathode and grid, and in the case of the bipolar transistor there is a three uh, there is a three terminal, that is collector, emitter and the base. And now here in the field effect transistor there is also a three terminal, that is the drain, source and gate. There is drain, source, gate concept is coming in here, drain, source and gate. So what is drain, source, gate? I will come to this matter later. Okay, now it is the symbolic difference. The symbol is look like that, symbol of the BJT looks like that, symbol of the vacuum tube at present now it is obsolete, and symbol of the field effect transistors is looks like that. So what is FET and all those things I am coming to there, but first of all I am just make it comparisons between all these things, among all these things. Normal linear operations, anode positive, grid negative. Normal linear operations, in that case anode is positive, grid is negative with respect to the cathode. Cathode is negative, grid is negative respect to the cathode. Now collector and base positive as in normal conditions, normal biasing conditions, and with the respect of emitter. Acha, drain positive, gain negative, positive gain negative, gate negative with respect to the source. But things is that it's change according to, I'm just representing that it's change according to our requirement. Okay, so now for the cutoff operations, grid more negative with the with respect to cathode turn linear operation, base negative with respect to emitter, get more negative with respect to the source than for linear operations. Okay, this is also some complicated things we want to know about these things. You show there is a symbolic representation that is also here representing in here also, and that is the p channel symbolic representations. There is no any p channel n channel concept, that's why it is the same. Normal of cutoff operations, the basic operations is the NPN, and bias operations the P channel is there. But it's quite change as per our requirement. Again I am saying as per the design concept, as per the requirement concept, we will change it. Okay, so the constructions of the FET, this is very important for us. There is a three terminals in the FET, that is one is the source terminal, another is the drain terminal, another is the gate terminal. Source terminal, the source is the terminal through which the majority carrier enter the silicon bar, that is the source. Thermal terminal, drain terminal is the through which the majority carrier leaves the bar, that is the drain terminal. And control that gate terminals control the drain current, and it's always reverse bias, but that is representing in here. Okay, now come to the matters that basically there is three terminal, gate, drain and source, gate, drain and source. At the same time it is looks like it is a water tap conditions. Water is coming from here where, and the water is good from here. It is the gate, gate is open, so this is the controlling, this is control the gate, and the it is the source from where the current is coming, and that is the drain, that is the outlet where the current is go through the output side. So this is the internal, that is the source, that is the drain, and that is the control, that is gate. Gate is changing the gate is on and off. Gate is control the current from source to the outlet, source to the drain, so to the source to the drain. So it is the inlet, source is the inlet, and drain is the outlet of any pipe or tap call. Okay, so this is the analogical representations. When pipe is proceed at one, water flow decreases. Okay, so the it is depend upon the gate voltage or gate current that things is representing in here. Okay, next come to this constructions representations. That is the 3D representations. I hope you can understand this. You show there is a 3D representation. It is representing the circle one, and inside there is another circle. Okay, so suppose if it is P and if it is N, so this is called the P channel FET. If it is P and it is N, then it is called P channel FET. And if it is N and it is P, then it is called the N channel FET. So this is actually the channel. This is actually the channel. What happened actually? Suppose this is the channel, and in this surface, suppose in this channel upper side there is a wrapping of one others material. Suppose this is the P material and it's wrapping with the N material, so it is the P channel FET. Okay, suppose it is the N material and it is wrapping by the PP, so that is called the P channel. So this is PN, that is actually the representations of the diode. And you show there is gate is representing in here. This is the drain which you have already shown, and this is the source is there. Okay, so source, drain and gate is representing here. Gate is also connected with the with the metal, which is the connections. This is also connected with the metal, which is the connection, and this is also metal, which is the connections. Okay, so this is called the junction, field, effect, transistors. You show one field is creating, and for that reason transistors is working. So I'm coming to a very important matters. First of all, I just go for the representations of representations of uh, of P channel and N channel FET. P channel and N channel FET. That is, you show that here it is representing that P channel and N channel FET, the symbolic representations of the P channel, N channel, and symbolic representations of the P channel, symbolic representations of the P channel. Here it is also P to N concept. You show inside there, if it is P and P to N, so P to N, that means, so it is arrow is this side. Okay, so P to N, P to N. Again, if it is the N channel, so if you show this is the N and this is the P, so as it is the N or P, so for that reasons it is P to N, so it is the P to N. Okay, so like that way the arrow is defining P to N, P to N side. Always in case of the terminology, in case of the representations of the circuit, if you are keep in mind that P2 inside the arrow is there like diode, that means this is it's representing that, then there is a chance of mistake is very low. Okay, so this is the field effect transistors schematic diagram. Then you go for one very important things, that is you show just taking the cross sections of this particular things. You just taking in the front view of this. You show the front view. Sorry, just a minute. So this is the front view only. This is the front view. You show this is the N channel. Uh, just a minute. This is the N channel, and this is the P. Outer surface is P, and this is the channel. You show the previous case, if it is in that case it is P and it is the N. Okay, sorry, it is N and it is P actually. Okay, so here it is N and it is P. The outer surface is P, inside surface is N. Okay, so is the as the inside surface is N and is P, and just I'm taking the here, so I am giving here plus, and I'm giving here minus. Okay, so this is VDS. Okay, so this is VDS. So this is positive, this is negative, and there is a gate. Okay, you saw this is the negative in the P side. It is I am representing in the negative terminal, and the positive terminal I am connected to the here. It is the N terminal. So this is the reverse bias conditions. You show there is a reverse bias conditions is happening. Okay, reverse bias conditions is happening. So as there is a reverse bias conditions is happened, so what will happen here? If I'm increase the voltage, if I'm increase the voltage, if I'm increase this gate voltage, if I'm increase this gate voltage, then what will happen? If I increase this gate voltage, that you show the depletion region is increasing. Depletion region is increasing. Okay, okay, depletion region is increasing. Again I am increasing. Again you show the VGS voltage is increasing. Here you show the VGS voltage. I am applying the VGS voltage high, and here also VGS voltage is too high. Okay, so depletion regions is high. So again I am introducing the depletion high VGS. So when I am introducing the high VGS, then what will happen? The both the depletion regions are connected, jointly connected, and a huge current flow for that reason. So this is actually the control that VGS. You show there is a field is creating field. You show there is a field creations. You show there is a field creations. Field, electromagnetic field is creating. Here it is a field is creating which can control this current flow, which can control this current flow. This current is flow controlled by this field. You show there is huge field. This current is also controlled by this field. Then what happened actually? Uh, you show this is the drain characteristics, and there is a transfer characteristics. Okay, in this drain characteristics, here it is the IDS, and here it is the VGS as the same as BJT, as same as BJT it is, and same as BJT. So there is a 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 is there. Here it is -3, -2, -1, minus 0.03, 0 voltage. So whatever the I'm changing the voltage VGS I'm changing, then automatically the it's blocked. The the uh, both gate voltage is increasing. The current is blocked, and the current is becoming low. You show the current is becoming low. This is the curve. This is the curve, and after a certain time it is saturate IDS. Okay, so this side is actually the representing by the VGS and IDS. IDS is the same as like here, and the VDS, whatever the VDS I am changing, whatever the VDS I am changing, that things is representing in here. VDS is changing in here, this 1, -2, -3, -4 like, and for that point of view, this particular graph is coming, and here the transfer characteristics is representing like that way. Here this is here and here and here. You so this is the same scale, that is the IDS is the same scale. Here it is the IDS is the same scale, and there is VGS is the different another axis. This is the x axis, this is the y axis. So this is called the transfer characteristics. As we are plot is the VGS with the IDS, that's why, and this is the drain characteristics, that how the drain current is characterized, how the drain current is nature, that things is representing in here. That is why it is called the drain characteristics. Next, for the working, I'm just representing the N channel FET and the P channel FET. You saw that source connected to the minus V, and the source connected to the minus plus V in case of P channel, in case of N channel. Drain connected to the plus V, drain connected to the minus V, and gate connected to the minus V reverse bias conditions, and gate connected to the plus V reverse bias condition. You show in that case the gate is common, always it is in the reverse bias conditions, always it is in the reverse bias conditions. Okay, now the p type and n channel, p type and n type FETs. Actually type FETs means channel phase, n channel FET and p channel FET. The difference of this particular p channel and comparisons of these two particular FET channel FET is the current carrier are electron, current carrier are electron, and in that case the current carrier is a hole. In the case of p channel, the current carrier is hole. Here is the difference between the uh, BJT and that is the UJT. It is also another name is UJT. Why UJT? Because you show in case of the P channel FET, the current carrier is a hole only. Current carrier is a hole only. And the current carrier in case of N channel is the current carrier is the electron only. As we have already saw that correct current carrier is only electron. So in case of N channel, current carrier is the electron. In case of P channel, current carrier is hole. Why? Because in case of P channel, the majority carrier is a hole, and in case of N channel, majority carrier is electron. So current carrier is a in N channel is the electron, and current carrier is a in P channel is a hole. So UJT and BJT, both these two are very important. So in case of this FET, it is called the UJT because only one hole or electron can act in working on that. So for that reason it is UJT. It is UJT. But in case of BJT, both are working, holes and carrier, holes and holes and electrons both are working for that. So for that point of view, this that is called bipolar junction transistor. Now come to the considerations of the mobility. The mobility is whole is poor. Mobility of the whole is poor. Yes, very important. Mobility of the whole is poor. In that case, the p channel FET. Mobility of the electron is almost twice that of the whole of the p channel of the FET. Okay, this is very important. Low input noise, more noise is there in the p channel, and large transconductance, low transconductance. What is transconductance? So we will come later, but these are the difference between the p channel and in channel FET. Now JFET parameter, which is very important for us, that is the electrical behavior is described in terms of the parameter of the device. They are obtained from the characteristic important parameter of the FET are drain resistance, AC drain resistance, and transconductance. That's in the previous case I have seen that what is transconductance I will come. DC drain resistance, AC drain resistance, and transconductance. So this is you show that is DC drain resistance, that is DC drain resistance. DC drain resistance defined as the ratio of the drain of the source voltage VDS to drain current ID, also called the static and ohmic resistance, and mathematically it is representing that RDS equals to VDS by ID. RDS equals to VDS by ID. RDS equals to VDS by ID. Okay, next you go for the JFET parameter. AC drain resistance defined as the resistance between the drain to source where when JFET is operating in pinch off region or saturation region, and it is mathematically that is RD equals to del VDS by del ID, change of the VDS, change of the ID. Okay, when VGS is the constant, when gate to source voltage is the constant. So this is called the mathematical representations of RD, that is mathematical representations of the RD. Okay, now a very important parameter, that is the transconductance, which is GM. Okay, this GM is it is given by the ratio of the small change of the drain current of the corresponding charge and the gate source voltage VGS, also known as forward transmittance. Mathematically, GM equals to ID by VGS, ID del ID by del VGS. GM equals to del ID by del VGS. Okay, so this is actually the representations of the mathematical representations of the GM, that is representing that ID by VDS, that is change of ID, that is change of VDS. Okay, and which is very important for the for this FET, which is very important for this FET. For the transconductance, we can understand about the FET capability, FET effectivity. Okay, so this is the representations of the transconductance, all the parameter transconductance, RD, and transconductance, AC drain resistance, transconductance, and DC drain resistance. Okay, now uh, Now the drain characteristics, which is representing in here, that we have already shown in the previous slide. That is the drain characteristic, which is the drain characteristics. And here the drain characteristics is shown in the region and between the source voltage and VDS and ID. And this is the transconductance. That this is the representations of transfer characteristic. This side is the transfer characteristic, and this side is the drain characteristics. Okay, and from there we are representing one equations, that is id equals to idss into 1 plus vds by vp to the power square. Okay, so that is the uh, drain current equations, that can be shared as the drain current equations, id equations. So that's all for the drain characteristics for this particular JFET, how the JFET is working and all these things, the applications and all these things we can define later. And the last, as like as in the previous classes, we just said that I just get all these informations from the skill development center, government of Telangana, and I would like to refer them. Thank you very much for giving such kind of things. And Polytechnic Hub, Polytechnic Hub, hub.com. So from there I get the information, and for that reasons I just give them reference. Thank you very much. And this video is also we have studied from different books, that is Millman Healthcare's Boyle State and from. We have just acknowledge them, and through that I would like to complete these sessions. Thank you very much.